in today's video, I have decided to be renovating the Misty Cottage house in Toca world. It comes with rustic furniture and decorations, 7 wall designs, and 4 floor patterns. I hope you guys enjoy this video and stay tuned for more. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a speed build of this house I am in now. I don't know what it's called. I think it's cozy house, something like that. But I'm gonna make it even more cozy because look at this house. Look at it. I'm sorry, Toca Boca, but this ain't giving. JK. This is really giving. I mean, after I give it a little makeover, okay? But, yeah. Don't mind everything. Don't mind that. Don't mind that. And don't mind that background. BTW. Anyways, let's get this ready. So, look at this house. Just look at it. It's not really giving. There's these cute little stickers and everything. It would be good for Halloween. I mean, this jack-o'-lantern is pretty cute, but good for Halloween again. So, if you guys want more speed builds and everything, I will post more of speed builds. So that will be probably I'll be posting more. Or I'll be posting how-tos. I'm probably gonna post a how-to. No, I'm not telling you guys yet. I'll probably post it in the community. But anyway, let's get this ready. So it's voiced, obviously, and there's some music in the background. So don't mind that. It's just yeah. And it's also sped up because it's speed built. So
we can take this ride wherever it goes, as long as you're with me. I feel at home. Can you tell me why? 'Cause I wanna know. As long as you're with me, I feel at home. Yeah, I wave goodbye to my old life. Been reaching for some new heights. My baby there the whole time, and it feels right. You by my side. I'm out on body and Clyde. I need my partner in crime, yeah. Sometimes you can't even see what's right in front of you. Life gets the best of me, I don't know what to do. Miles still ahead of me and I don't have a clue right now. But we can take this ride wherever it goes, as long as you're with me. I feel at home. Can you tell me why? 'Cause I wanna know. As long as you're with me, I feel at home. I set my mark right on your heart. One moves got me this far. Now I don't wanna restart. Things get hard and time left scars. Still there before you are. Still shining through the whole dark, yeah. Sometimes you can't even see what's right in front of you. Life gets the best of me, I don't know what to do. I'm still ahead of me and I don't have a clue right now. But we can take this ride wherever it goes, as long as you're with me. I feel at home. Can you tell me why? 'Cause I wanna know. As long as you're with me, I feel at home. Oh, I got a bad
it for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed it as much as I did making this. Now look at it. Like, have you guys seen before and after? Well, look at this. This is literally a sleigh. Now, I didn't really do that backyard. Maybe I should have, but like, it's okay. I mean, it's still pretty. We just add some more decoration stuff. But yeah, when I was trying to edit, it was acting up, so don't mind the one of the parts skipping, but I will take a tour of the area that kind of skipped. So I added this cute little table with these two lamps, like a nightstand almost, but I wanted to do more of these dressers around there because look, this is life hack. Boom, you can hide some snacks from your kids. But anyway, guys, I see your recommended chats right now, and I will be reading it. So if I'm gonna be like doing a shout out and stuff like that, my first shout out. So I am going to be showing you guys all the videos and all the chat from my virals video, and maybe I can respond to you guys, and I can maybe do a video about that too. So I know some of you guys recommended some videos, and yes, I will be probably doing that. So let's get started. If you guys are in one of these comments, make sure to like, because I will be doing more shout outs for once I get more comments. So let's get this ready. But I won't come back to you guys because it's pretty late where I am. So I was